Good morning. It's your old friend Martin. Today, as usual, I'm in Japan. I'm in Shizuoka, Japan, and where I am and the time of year it is really special. It's spring. It's spring in Japan, and this here is the Sakura tunnel. Sakura is the Japanese word for cherry blossoms. It's just past sunrise, and the cherry blossoms haven't opened yet. Peak blossom, everyone wants to see the peak. But this is before the peak. The cherry blossoms are, they're like life itself. They're fleeting. They're fleeting. Today they're closed. A week from now, they'll be open. And then a wind will come or a rainstorm will come and they'll all be gone. I'm gonna take you on a little voyage here. A little voyage. I never thought much about cherry blossoms before I moved to Japan. I never thought about Japan much before I moved to Japan. What happened is that I met a woman who was Japanese, and then I pestered her in my own barbaric caveman-like way to go on a date with me. And here it is, a dozen years later. Of all the foreign places, Japan is easily the most foreign. These are all cherry blossoms. These are all sakura. They're going to open. And over here, along this tributary of the Ogawa, that's the Unkai. It's the sea of clouds. Easily one of my favorite things about Japan is this sea of clouds. I'm gonna go down so you can take a little bit of a better look at it. Every morning, the clouds roll in on these mountains. And shortly, these barren branches, are going to be covered with these pink blossoms. What you're looking at in front of you is my kingdom. Maybe it's a fiefdom. That's where everything I know and love lives, at the foothill of the base of that mountain. But over there, that's the Unkai, the sea of clouds. And over here, these are all cherry blossoms that are soon gonna awaken. The street's gonna be full of people wearing face masks, screaming children saying, "Dako, dako, otosan, dako." Otosan's the word for daddy. Dako's pick me up. If you're a Japanese dad, a gaijin otosan, as it were, one of the first maybe the only word you'll learn is daku. Otosan daku, 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 pick me up, pick me up. This is a traffic sign. This is a street crossing sign in Japan. It's ubiquitous. It's one of the many things that you get used to seeing here. At first I was like, why is there a man wearing a hat? It's just a street crossing. It's a little bridge crosses the river. I don't know what this kanji means. And this river, specifically, this part of this river is a lazy river. And of all the lazy men that have been, I am amongst the laziest. You can float down this guy here. In a few months, we'll be floating down this river.